Hey guys, welcome back to the Brighter Folks channel. Today I am going to review the Remix OS Android Mini PC, and the idea of this video is to actually use it as a productivity PC so that you would be able to use this for your home office, or if you're a business and you need computers and you don't want to spend a lot of money. Let's see what you can do with a $79.99 computer that basically is running Android OS, has access to a lot of apps that are useful for business, and is extremely simple to use. So as you can see, the Android OS created by Remix looks basically like a Windows computer. So you have a start menu, you have a taskbar, you have everything set out like Windows does. So it's not difficult to figure out how to use this. So if you had a new employee that you wanted to let them use this as their workstation computer, it would be pretty simple to get somebody new to use this computer. There are apps from Microsoft for Office, and there are alternative apps that you can find to almost anything, or you can do stuff web-based. So the idea for me right now was to see if we can use it for productivity. So I've been bringing up the Office Suite, so Pro Office Suite. It's a paid app. I started a document a few minutes ago. So as you can see, I typed up a little review of the Remix OS that I'm going to most likely blog about. So this is a full-featured word processor that runs on Android. I used this for many years on my tablets and phone, and now it's crossed over to the Android PC. So very easy. You have all the standard word processing tabs that you would need to get anything done. And once it's created your document, you just save it. You can save it online, save it to the device. So it opens Word documents. This is also capable of opening spreadsheets, creating presentations. So you can basically run a business with just this one app without much hassle. It does everything. You can open all the documents that you need to look at. So we've got Word, Excel, and PowerPoint all covered with this app at an affordable price. I think it was like $10 when I bought it a few years ago. It might be less or so. So that works out really well for your Office suite. In my previous video, I tried to open up the Adobe Photoshop Express. I actually had to log into an account. I don't have any pictures right now in this Android device that I could edit, but again, you have access now to Adobe Photoshop Express that you can edit photos on the Android PC. So if you're some sort of creative talent and you want to do things for your website, your blog, you have tools that can be used to manipulate or edit your pictures. So that is a great tool to have. The other thing I just recently, it didn't come installed for some reason, but I installed a calendar from Google. So Google Calendar. So keep up to date on all your activities. For notes, I like this app. I've had it on my tablets for many years. It's called Beautiful Notes. And it just is a beautiful app that is easy to use. You can add all your notes in here, to-do lists. It lets you create different types of notes and so forth. So if you go up here to create something, let's say you want to do a to-do list. So it's basically going to let you do a new to-do list, and you just keep adding stuff to your list. And it's a gorgeous app. So we can minimize that one. It takes a second for it to restart, I guess. I got a few apps running, so maybe that's going to slow down the system here. There we go. It's back up. So let me just actually close some of these apps so that we don't have the processing power being all used up by apps that we're not using. I installed Quick, which is a little video editing app from GoPro. So, once you've signed into your account, you can actually edit videos on this device. So if you have a USB card or another hard drive attached, you can upload your videos online and create everything with this easy to use program. And this isn't so much a productivity program, but I like to listen to music while I'm doing any kind of work. So I have Slacker Radio installed. You can put a whole bunch of other audio programs on there so that you can listen to music while you're working. The Play Store is fully enabled, so there's no limit of what software or apps that you can download to the Android PC. And you have such things as your calendar, calculator. Everything is easy to use. I haven't set up the printer, so that's the only other thing that I'd like to do is to set up a printer with this device. But if you were looking for a PC that is cheap, that does a lot of stuff, and it's really small and compact, you can't go wrong for $79.99. It is a full-featured computer on a budget. Like, I mean, you're not gonna get the same quality as a $500 computer or a $1,000 computer, but you're gonna get a nice little easy to use computer to get most tasks done. And since everything is web-based nowadays, there's no shortage of things that you can't do with a web-based app through Google Chrome. So again, this is a quick little review of the Android Remix PC and showing you the abilities of turning it into a productivity computer without spending a lot of money. If you have any questions on the device, if there's any future videos you'd like me to create for specific needs with the Android PC, let me know. I'm going to check out gaming in my next video. I'm going to try to install some games on here and see how that goes. But in the meantime, at $79.99, the Remix OS Android PC is definitely a worthwhile consideration for anybody who has a little home office and just needs an extra little computer to get some work done. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll be adding some more videos on the Android Remix PC. And also I have a review of the TV that's actually attached to this computer, which is a Vizio. We'll do that in a separate video. Have a great day.